Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention please?
Cabin crew, prepare for takeoff.
Assalamualaikum and a very good day to our lecturer, Madam Nadia Maisara, and everyone. Today our group is from class BA2645E is excited to present our group case study titled Air Asia X Berhad, that company that we choose. So as we know, Air Asia revolutionized the aviation industry with its commission, which is now everyone can fly. They have served over 900 million customers globally by maintaining lean, cost-effective operations. A major milestone occurred recently on January 16, 2026 when Air Asia X completed the strategic acquisitions of both Air Asia Berhad and Air Asia Aviation Group. So, this massive merger consolidated their short, medium and long-haul operations under a single banner. So today, they run an integrated network spanning over 150 destinations and 300 routes, supported by a fleet of more than 250 Airbus aircraft. This brings us to how they manage such a massive passenger base using customer relationship management, specifically the IDIC model, IDCIC.
Before we begin, let me introduce myself first. My name is Putri Balkis Betitruna Ottoman, and for today, I will be presenting the application of IDIC model in AirAsia, especially focusing on the first stage, which is identify. Before I explain more further regarding this AirAsia IDIC, let me briefly introduce to you what is IDIC model is. IDIC model is a customer relationship management, or known as CRM. It consists of 4 stages, which are identify, differentiate, interact, and customize. The main purpose of this model is to help the companies build a strong and also a long-term relationship with the customer by understanding who their customers are, what they need, and how to provide a better services towards their customer. So now let's move forward to a first stage, which is identify. The identify stage is about collecting and also recognizing customer information so that a company can understand their customer more better and also build a long-term relationship with them. So in AirAsia company, they already done this throughout their digital platform, especially throughout their mobile application and AirAsia Reward Loyalty Program. Whenever customer book a flight, they first need to create an account. So during the registration, they provide a personal information such as their name, email address, contact number, passport detail, and also the payment information. So all of this information is stored in AirAsia Customer Relationship Management, or known as CRM database. This allowed the company to create a customer profile, keep tracking of booking history, and also understand their customer preference. Besides collecting a customer information, AirAsia also track customer interaction using their digital tools. All of you must be wondering what their digital tools that AirAsia have. It is their website, mobile application, and also their AI-powered chatbot. The company record the activities such as a flight booking, refund application, inquiries, and also their customer complaint. However, we can see during the COVID-19 crisis, the refund crisis also exposed the weakness in AirAsia identify stage. Even though the company had collected a large amount of customer information, but many customers still face a long delay in receiving update about their refund status. So regarding this issue, many customers become frustrated and also leading to a customer dissatisfaction, negative publicity, and also decline in the customer trust. So in conclusion, for this identify stage, AirAsia has a strong digital customer identification system that enable them for collect and also manage their customer data efficiently. So what about the COVID-19 crisis? However, the pandemic showed that AirAsia collecting customer information alone is also not enough, but the company must also use that information efficiently by providing their timely communication, responsive customer support, and also faster problem resolution.
So let's move on to the IDIC model. So IDIC model stands for Identify, Differentiate, Interact, and Customize. While AirAsia effectively identify customer through its mobile app and AirAsia rewards profiles, a massive driver of their business strategy is the second stage, which is differentiate. So instead of treating every passenger the same, AirAsia X categorizes its customers based on two vital components. First, their lifetime value to the firm and their specific operational requirements. So, I am Mohd Farid and I will be dive into the differentiate application. So, first, travel motivation. AirAsia X separate passengers based on their constraints. Short-haul regional travelers are highly sensitive to price and times. So, with low expectations for luxury, conversely, long-haul international travelers demand higher level of comfort, service quality, and scheduling flexibility. Second, big data analytics. To do this at scale, AirAsia X tracks booking frequencies, spending behaviors, and past transaction history. So this lets them separate low-frequency leisure travelers from high-value frequent flyers. They use this insight to push highly targeted ancillary options like specific baggage allowances, seat selection tiers, hot meals, and duty-free options, maximizing their high-margin revenue. Third, geographic differentiation. They adjust flight capacity dynamically to reflect local market trends across their 16 global hubs. For instance, they focus heavily on high-yield traffic from China and Central Asia in the Malaysian sector, while adjusting routes to handle local restructuring via the Makassar hub in Indonesia and the Cebu hub in the Philippines.
Hi everyone, today I will present interaction of AirAsia. Interaction is an important part of any digital system because it allows users to communicate with the system and complete their tasks. In AirAsia, customers mainly interact through the website, mobile app, and the AskBoo chatbot, especially when you're requesting refund during the COVID-19 pandemic. However, during the pandemic, the large number of refund requests caused many problems. Customers did not receive update about the status of their refunds, and some wait for months without any clear information. The AskBoo chatbot only gave automated replies, which often did not answer customer actual question. As a result, many customers feel confused, frustrated, and lost trust in AirAsia service. Another issue was the lack of human support. While the chatbot could handle simple questions, it could not solve more complicated refund case. Customers had no easy way to contact customer service representative and had to repeat the same step many times. This made the refund process slow, difficult, and stressful.
Good day everyone, my name is Anur Zuleha and today I will be presenting the customer stage of the IDIC model followed by the overall analysis of AirAsia's implementation of the IDIC model. The customer stage focuses on providing personalized products, services, and communication based on each customer's needs and preferences. Instead of offering the same experience to every customer, companies use customer information to create services that are more relevant and meaningful. This will help to improve customer satisfaction, build stronger relationships, and encourage customer loyalty. Next, the AirAsia's implementation. AirAsia applies this concept by collecting customer data through its website, mobile application, and AirAsia Rewards program. The company gathers information such as customer booking history, travel frequency, and preferred destination, and spending habits. This information is then stored and analyzed using its customer relationship management or CRM systems. Using this data, AirAsia is able to personalize the customer experience. For example, during the online booking process, customers can choose their preferred seats, add extra baggage, pre-order meals, and purchase travel insurance, and also even book hotels or airport transfers. This will allow passengers to customize their travel plans according to their own needs and budget. Besides that, AirAsia also uses CRM and data analytics to send personalized promotions and destination recommendations. For example, customers who frequently travel to destinations like Bangkok or Bali may receive special offers for those locations. Members of the AirAsia Rewards program also receive personalized rewards and promotions based on their travel habits. However, AirAsia also faces some challenges. During the COVID-19 pandemic, the company relied heavily on chatbots and automated systems to manage customer inquiries. While these systems worked well for simple questions, they were less effective in handling complex issues such as flight cancellation and refund requests. As a result, many customers experienced delays and felt there was a lack of human support. This shows that technology is important, but it should be balanced with personalized customer service, especially during unexpected situations. Moving on to the overall analysis. AirAsia has successfully implemented all four stages of the IDIC model. The company identifies customers through its digital platforms, differentiates them based on their travel behavior, interacts with them using multiple digital channels, and customizes products and services according to their preferences. Overall, AirAsia effective use of CRM, customer data, and digital technology has strengthened customer relationships, improved customer satisfaction.
Now, I will present strength of AirAsia digital platform. The first strength is digital transformation. During the COVID-19 pandemic, AirAsia continued to provide its service through its website and mobile apps. Customer could book flight, request refunds, and check travel information online without visiting a ticket counter. This helped AirAsia continue its operation while following government restriction. The second strength is high scalability. During the pandemic, AirAsia received a huge number of refund requests and customer inquiries. Although there were some delays, the digital system was able to handle many customer requests better than a traditional customer system service. The third strength is cost efficiency. Asia introduced the AskBoo chatbot to answer common customer questions automatically. This reduced the workload of customer service staff, allowing them to focus on more complex issues while also lowering operating costs. Another strength is 24 hours customer support. Customer could access information, manage booking, and submit refund requests at any time. This was especially helpful for international travelers in different time zones.
My name is Ainu Maria, and let me break down to you 6 weaknesses of AirAsia X. So, AirAsia X went all in on digital. Sound great, right? But when the pandemic hit and everyone wanted their money back, things got really messy. So let's move on to the first weaknesses. First up is the Ask Bo chat box. Now, Bo is a great simple stuff like, what's my flight status? But when a customer comes in an urgent emotional refund issue, Bo completely froze. It just kept giving the same generic replies over and over, and there was no way to talk to a real human. Imagine shouting into a void, and that's how customer felt. Second, communication. What communication? People with months, yes, months, with zero update on their refund. No timeline, no insurance, no nothing. And when they did ask for, they got confusing and straight up wrong answer. Total silence equal to total frustration, and frustration kill trust. So third, angry customer went straight to the social media. Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, also a review site. They were fired up, and honestly, we can't blame them though. All the public venting, it damaged Asha reputation in a big time. Suddenly, a brand that people love looked like didn't care anymore. So fourth, the refund process itself was a nightmare. Customer had to click through a page after page, retyping the same info and again. It was complicated, confusing, and just made a stressful situation so much worse. Not exactly the simple and easy experience that we all want. 5. The system just couldn't handle the crowd. In a normal time, it would fine, but when thousands of refund requests come flooding in, it crashed. Well, not literally, but it might as well have. Too slow, too overwhelmed, and unable to keep up. It was built for regular traffic, but not a whole tsunami. And finally, and the saddest one is the elder passenger. Rural folk with a bad internet and people who just don't do app, they were completely forgotten. With no physical counter or phone support, they had nowhere to go. Going fully digital sounds cool, right? But not everyone are on the board, and that's not fair at all. Thank you. In conclusion, it actually need to find a sweet spot. Let the bot handle the easy stuff, booking changes, checks in. But when things got complicated, give customer direct line to a real person who actually care. Also, use all the customer data that they have, not just to sell stuff, but to truly personalize their experience. Imagine getting a text saying, hey, your refund's on the way, instead of silent. That's how you win a heart. And most importantly, don't leave anyone behind. Keep phone line open, have a service counter available. Thank you. That's all from us.